Hi, how are you all doing? Welcome. Today we're going to look at our smart lighting range, specifically our radio frequency sensors. Our smart radio frequency sensors are compatible with our smart transformers or converters that have a control port. They're easy to pair, just press the button on the receiver and then on the transmitter. You can pair up to 6 transmitters. All of them run on batteries. So, what do we need to set up the installation? A smart converter, a luminaire in this case, a Neolinks V, a transmitter, which could be a touch transmitter, a proximity transmitter, a door transmitter, or a motion transmitter. And of course, let's not forget a receiver to link with the transmitters. We're going to install our radio frequency transmitters, switches, both the touch type, which works like a remote control, and the proximity type, where you just wave your hand in front or behind it. Remember, both can be screwed onto the wall or attached with an adhesive strip. Also remember, the battery is included with them. This is the position where the battery should go. You just need to push it in. Alright, let's get started. We'll use the receiver to plug it into the control port. We don't need this driver cable anymore. We'd attach it here with a simple clip and it would be connected. We'd plug the light fixture into one of the 6 secondary ports on the driver. We'd connect it, and that's it, it's connected. What do we have left to do now? Now we're going to pair the receiver with the transmitter. Remember that we can connect it with different transmitters. We can pair it with different transmitters. How? Alright. We'll take the receiver. If you look here, there's a little button. We'll press it once. If you see, a blue light turns on and starts blinking. So right away, we'll grab one of the transmitters, flip it over, and here it also has a little button. Simply, so you can see it, we'll give it a click. Notice how it blinks. Now this remote is paired. Is it paired? Well, it works like a remote control. If we press it, it will turn off. If we press it again, it will turn on. Off, on. Great. Let's also pair the other transmitter to the same light and with the same receiver.
How?
By repeating the process, we'll take the receiver again, press the button again, and the blue light will turn on again. We take the other transmitter, turn it over, and it also has the same little button. We press it once. It blinks. Now the new transmitter is paired. Look, we wave our hand, it turns on. We wave our hand again, it turns off. And the other one is still paired. See? It turns off, it turns on. We have 2 different switch transmitters connected to the same receiver and the same light fixture. One to keep on the sofa, another to have at a passageway. If we wave our hand, the light turns off. If we wave our hand, the light turns on. If we move it, it will turn off. If we touch it again, it will turn on. Turn off. Turn on. Very good. When the door is closed, the light will turn off. When the door is opened, the light will turn on. In the case of 2 doors very close together, we could make it so that when both doors are closed, the light turns off. When one is opened, it turns on. It closes, it turns off. If it opens, it turns on. Since this sensor detects movement, as long as it senses me moving, the light won't turn off. Next, I'm going to move it away from me and we'll wait about 30 seconds. And now, what am I going to do? I'm going to walk in front of the sensor so the lights turn on. I step back, Walk in front of the sensor that's 3 meters away from the lights, and as you can see, it works. Just to tell you and remind you that these sensors work at about 5 meters distance without any problem. And that's it for how to install and link the smart radio frequency sensors. See you in upcoming videos with more news from the smart range.